everybody, what's going on? It's your girl Just T coming at you with another recipe, baby. How you guys doing today? Today, y'all, guess what? We making some awesome ass cornbread. We making some buttermilk sweet cornbread, y'all. This cornbread is gonna be so good. It's gonna add a nice little side piece to that dinner that you cooking today. So to get started though, the ingredients that we're gonna need, I have 3 eggs. We have, of course, that buttermilk. We're going to need some vegetable oil. We're also going to need some butter. You're going to need some baking powder and some granulated sugar. You're going to need some yellow cornmeal and some all-purpose white flour. So you ready? We about to go ahead and jump right on into this video, y'all. Let's go ahead and make this cornbread. Okay, y'all, so we're going to go ahead and get started and make this awesome as cornbread. So first we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Let's put that into the bowl. And we're also going to get 1 cup of this yellow cornmeal. And I'm pretty much thinking any yellow cornmeal will do, whichever, brand you prefer. So we're going to get 1 cup of that as well. So I have 1 cup of yellow cornmeal. I'm going to pour that into that cup, baby. And now we're going to get our granulated sugar. And this, let me get something to get that out with. You know what? I'm just going to pour it. We're going to use, just with the sugar, the granulated sugar, we're going to use 1/4 cup of that. So let me pour in 1/4 cup of sugar. This cornbread is so good, y'all. So I have 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. We're going to pour that on in there too. And we're also going to get our baking powder. We're going to use, Latanya. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I need to get some more. I be using baking powder all the time. I got a little bit over a tablespoon, I think, in here. Let's pour this a little bit in here. So we got a tablespoon of baking powder. And now we're about to do 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Shake that up. Shake it. I hope everybody is doing awesome, y'all. So let's go ahead and we're gonna get 1. Let me get 1 cup. We're gonna do 1 1/4 cup. I'm sorry. So there's 1 cup. Let me make a little well in the bottom of this real quick. So I'm just gonna make a well in here so I can just put this all in the middle. Now, I'm not making a lot of cornbread, you guys. It's just myself and my husband. So I'm not going to make a real big thing of cornbread because it's just us two. And then, so that was 1 cup. Now I'm going to do 1/4 of a cup. So if you want to make, a bigger portion, a bigger pan of cornbread, then just go ahead and just double that recipe. Just double it up. That's all. And now we're going to move on to the vegetable oil. We're going to do 1/2 of a cup of vegetable oil. So 1/2 a cup of vegetable oil. And we're going to pour that on in there too, y'all. Pour that right on in there. And then on to our eggs. I have those 3 eggs. You want to just beat them lightly, And let's just pour those on in there. And now we're just going to mix this up. You just want to get this real nice and smooth. Just going to mix it on up. Just mixing it up. Now, if you don't have a whisk, you can always use the fork. It's going to do the same thing. Just going to go all around the edges and make sure you get it all up in here. Get it all. And you want to mix this up until it gets nice and smooth. And I have my oven preheated for 375. This is going to be so good, y'all. I swear. And this cornbread is so tasty. And it's such, like, I don't know, it's really so good. It goes with anything. It goes with everything. Real easy cornbread to make. Quick and easy. Yep. So now I got that nice and smooth. See that? You want it to look like that. Nice and smooth. And so we're going to, let me move this out the way. Let me get my baking pan. So right here, I have a 9x9, and it's a 2-inch baking pan. Like I said, I'm not making a big old thing of cornbread, y'all. So if you're going to make a bigger pan, if you want to feed a lot more people, then just double that recipe. Like how I have how I use 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, then you use 2 cups. Like how I use 1 cup of all-purpose flour, you use 2 cups. That way, it's going to double your portion of what I have here. Hopefully that makes sense. And so I just went ahead and I got a teaspoon of margarine that I melted in the microwave, just a couple seconds, because I want to grease my pan for this cornbread. So I'm going to just pour that on in here. And I move it around with my hands. So just like to get it all over inside your pan. You want your pan to be well oiled. And some people, I know my mom, she used to use vegetable oil at the bottom of her pan. So, you know, you want to use vegetable oil at the bottom, then you can do that as well too. Let me just wipe my hands. Get a spoon so we can get this batter, this cornbread batter on in there, baby. So now we just going to pour this cornbread batter right on in there. See how smooth that is, y'all? This is going to be good. This is going to be some good cornbread, y'all. Uh-oh. Got a little bit at the bottom. Come on, T. What's up with you? What's up with you? What's up? Y'all ain't see that. Y'all ain't see that one. Yeah, you want to make sure you scrape all around the edges and everything to get all that flour and that cornmeal all mixed in together. So, but that's how smooth you want your batter to be, your cornbread batter to be. Nice and smooth. And we're going to get ready to put this baby into the oven. That oven is preheated for 375. And I'm going to put this in there for about 35 minutes or until the top of my cornbread is golden brown. And once we get it out, I'll let y'all know exactly how much time I have this in there for. All right, so let's go ahead and get this baby in the oven, y'all. Okay, y'all, we back, and I just took this awesome buttermilk sweet cornbread out of the oven. And the total cook time for that was 35 minutes. 35 minutes to make this recipe. This cornbread is so awesome. Look at just how golden brown it is. Girl, come on, baby. Come get you some. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, y'all, stay blessed. It's just tea.